Hello, friends. Do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you look on the board and see which square has the last shape we did in our pattern? It's a little bit easier today, isn't it? Because we only have one shape on our board because yesterday was the first day of the new month. So we put in a red heart on the 1st, which was Monday. So it was Monday, February 1st, 2021. So to figure out today, we start in this square and we are going to move over one square to the right because we always read left to right. So we're going to start in this square and move over to this square. And we're going to put the next shape in our pattern so that when we're talking about our calendar, we know where to come back to so that we know that this is our day today. So today I'm going to make a new shape in our pattern and it is called a rhombus. Have you heard of a rhombus before? I bet you've probably seen one, but maybe you have a different name for it. Let's see if you can guess. We're going to start up here and we're going to go down on an angle and then we're going to come down to the bottom and then we're going to go up and then we're going to go back up to the top. Do you know what that is? A diamond. It is a diamond, isn't it? This shape has two names. So you can call it a rhombus or you can call it a diamond. It's a special shape with two names. A diamond or a rhombus. So our shape for the month is going to be, so far, a red heart and a blue rhombus. And then we will continue our pattern. So yesterday was Monday, today was Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Wednesday. How many days do you think there are in a week? Do you remember? Let's count together. If you don't know, that's okay. Let's practice and we will learn together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. I love it when you try with me. The more we try, the better we'll get. So today is Tuesday. And here's the card for Tuesday. Starts with a capital T because it's the name of the day. Tuesday. 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 T sounds like t. So what other words do we have? Toy, taco, try. Those are some great words for the letter T. So we're going to put the name of the day into our sentence and it starts with today is. And the word today has a capital T on it because that is the first word in our sentence. And we always capitalize the first words in our sentence. So today is Tuesday. So I'm going to put a capital T because it's the name of the day. Tuesday. And then a comma. Do you remember the comma tells us to just pause before we say the next word? Next, we're going to put in our month of the year. And do you remember how many months there are in the year? I hear some good guesses. Let's see if we're correct. We'll start at the top and we'll count down. And you can practice with me. If you don't know them all, that's okay. We'll learn together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months in the year. Now let's practice saying them. Are you ready? You try with me. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. And do you remember what month it started yesterday? We're in a brand new month. Do you remember? It's the second month of the year. February. So January is the first month and then February. So we spell February with a capital F. F sounds like for fun. February. 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 So now we're going to put that into our sentence. I'm going to use a capital F because it's the name of our month. So capital F, February. And then I'm going to put the number in here. So yesterday was the 1st. What do you think today is? What do you think? 1, what comes after 1? 1, 2. That's right, that's an easy one, right? Let's put a 2. We start up at the top, we make a curve and come down and then come back with a line. 2, 1, 2. And to count backwards is really easy too, right? 2, 1. Very easy. So we're going to put it in our sentence after the month and we're going to put in a 2. Except we don't say February 2, we say February the 2nd. Can you say second? That's another way of saying second. Another way of saying 2, kind of like second place or second base. That is a 2. We're going to put a comma after the 2 so that we remember to pause between saying second and the year. And the year is 2021, or you can say 2021 because there's two numbers kind of looks like in there, 20 and then a 21. So we'll put 2021 and then a period because that tells us that our sentence is over and we can stop talking. So let's say our sentence together. Today is Tuesday, comma, February 2nd, 2021, period. Let's say it all together without saying the commas this time. Today is Tuesday, February 2nd, 2021. Good job. I love it when you try with me. And today is a very special day. It's February 2nd, and every February 2nd, something special happens, and we call it Groundhog's Day. So I'm going to print the word groundhog in here, Groundhog, and then day. It's Groundhog Day. And every February 2nd, we wait for a groundhog to pop his head out of the earth, out of his burrow, to tell us if he sees his shadow or if he doesn't see his shadow. If he sees his shadow, then we think that there's going to be 6 more weeks of winter. Brrr. That's a long time. If he doesn't see his shadow, then we think that it's going to be spring soon. So he's kind of like our weatherman, and he tells us what the weather's going to be like for the next 6 weeks. So because it's Groundhog Day, yesterday I did a craft, and I'm going to share it with you. What do you think? This is Gary the Groundhog. He's my new little friend. I made him yesterday out of a paper bag. If you'd like to make a Gary the Groundhog or any other name, I made a video so that you can learn how to make him as well. You look for that on our channel, and you can make your own little groundhog as well. He's kind of cute and fun to play with. So put Gary down, and let's think about what our weather is like. Did you take a peek outside your window before we started today? I kind of looked because I'm kind of trying to guess what Gary's gonna say about the weather. I'm wondering if it's cloudy out, then he probably won't see his shadow. But if it is sunny out, then he'll probably see his shadow. So I'm kind of guessing to see what the weather will be like based on the clouds and the sun in the sky. So I looked outside, and do you think that I saw cloudy with rain? Is it raining where you are? It's not raining where I am. Cloudy? Well, there was a little bit of clouds in the sky, but not a lot of clouds in the sky. So it wasn't fully cloudy. What about snowing? Is it snowing where you are? It's not snowing where I am. There's no snowflakes falling. What about sunny? Is it sunny where you live? It's a little bit sunny where I live, but sometimes the clouds cover the sun and then it's not sunny. So it's partly cloudy, partly sunny. That's what the weather is like today. So that's hard to tell because if it's partly cloudy, partly sunny, it's going to be hard for me to guess if the groundhog's going to think it's see his shadow or not see his shadow. So let's see if we can find it on our weather chart. So the first one is the sun. It is sunny, but not all the way sunny. So there's some clouds. So we want to have a cloud with our sun. And here's a cloud, but no sun. That's not the one we want. Oh, here's another cloud, but it has raindrops falling, but it's not raining where I live. Snowflakes? Nope, not snowing where I live. Here's a sun and a cloud, partly sunny, partly cloudy. That's what my weather is like today. So I'm going to put a tally mark in there. And there's already one tally mark in there. So we're going to add one more. Do you remember how to make a tally mark? Can you put your finger up high and strike it down? Can you try that with me while I'm putting it on my chart? Put your finger in the sky and strike it down. And now we have 2 tally marks. And so we can add them together. 1 + 1 = 2. So we've had 2 sunny, partly cloudy days so far. And let's have a peek at our agenda. So I'm going to put in my agenda, and you remember, this is how we spell my name, and at the end of my name, there's an apostrophe S, and you can put an apostrophe S at the end of your name too, so that people will know that that's your belongings. So whatever your name is on with an apostrophe S, that means it's yours. And so this is my agenda. So I've got my name and then an apostrophe S. So it's Celine's agenda. So let's open it up. And it's going to show us yesterday. And yesterday I wanted to go for a walk. Do you remember? I wanted to go for a walk, and then I waved at all my neighbors and to say hello. So I did that. Now I'm going to do today's agenda and plan for today. So I'm going to start by putting the date. I'm going to use a capital T because it's the name of the day. Tuesday. Oh, my D wasn't very tall there. I can straighten that out. That's what happens when we're practicing sometimes. It's not always perfect. Tuesday, capital F for February. February. And it is the second, so I'm going to put a 2. And I ran out of room here, so I'm going to go down underneath and put the year. 2021. And it's the second, so I'm going to practice printing my letters up to the number 2. Are you ready? 1, 2. Did you bring out your paper or your agenda to practice with me? It's good practice. Now it's partly sunny, partly cloudy, so I'm going to put the weather down. And I will get a yellow for some sun. And today I'm going to bake some muffins. So let's see if I can get a brown. And I'm going to make a muffin. And a little muffin top there. Maybe some lines from my cupcake paper cup. I'm going to make bran muffins today. I really enjoy bran muffins with raisins in them. Do you like bran muffins with raisins in them? They taste delicious. So that's my plan for today, is to make some bran muffins. And I'm going to practice printing my name because I want to practice printing my name every day so I get good at it. It's capital CELYNNE. And then, if you don't know how to spell your days or make all your letters yet, you can just practice today by just making one letter. And today we're practicing making an F. Have you made an F before? You start up at the top and strike down. Can you do that with your fingers? Start up at the top and strike down. Then go back up to the top and go across. Then come back down to halfway as tall as your F and go out a little bit. So we start up at the top and go straight down. Then we go back up to the top and go all the way across. And then we just go halfway down and go across just a little bit. That is an F. Down, across, and across. That is an uppercase F. And this is a lowercase f. So you start here and you make an arch, and then you come down, and then you make a line across. Start here, make an arch, down to the line, and make a line across. If you practice making your letters every day, eventually you'll be able to make all the letters, and you will be able to make any words that you want. Now yesterday I was quite excited because it was a new month, and it's February, and it's Valentine's Day, and we get to be excited about spoiling our loved ones with cards. Maybe we'll make some Valentines later on. We can practice making some Valentines for the people we love in our life. So let's see what is on our feeling faces today. We have a sad feeling face. I don't feel very sad today. Do you feel sad today? I might feel sad later if the groundhog tells me there's going to be 6 more weeks of winter. But I'm not sad yet, so let's put that one down there. What about nervous? Are you nervous or shy maybe? I think I might be nervous today. Let me just hang on to that one. What about angry? Are you angry? I don't think I'm angry today. What about happy? Are you happy and content? Having a good day? Friendly? What about excited? Are you excited today? I don't think I'm excited yet. I might be excited if the groundhog tells me that we are coming into spring and no more winter. So I'm going to pick my nervous face because I'm kind of nervous today. I'm not sure if we're going to have 6 more weeks of winter or if we're going to get spring. And I'm really hoping for spring. I got my fingers crossed because I would really like us to have some rain and flowers, and then that means summer's coming. So that would be really great. I would love to do that. So today I'm going to do something kind with my muffins. I'm going to bake my muffins and then I'm going to share them with my neighbor. That's a really nice, kind thing to do. Sometimes if we have extra of something, we can share it with whoever's with us, or we can share it with somebody that we think might appreciate it. And so I think my neighbor would appreciate some muffins. Can you think of something kind to do today? I hope you find something wonderful and kind to do for somebody today, and I hope you have a great day.
groundhog, and it's my day. Wake and stretch, go out and play. Down in my burrow, down so deep. Time to wake from my long winter sleep. I'm a little groundhog, furry and brown. I pop my head out and look around. If I see my shadow, I'll go back down. For 6 more weeks of winter underground. I'm a little groundhog, furry and brown. I'll pop my head out and look around. If I don't see my shadow, I'll stay right here. And we'll have an early spring this year. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much.
Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.